Hey there. Today we are going to talk about what is HubSpot CTA. CTA technically stands for call to action, but what is different inside HubSpot CTA and what all do you need to know about it? Today we are going to delve deeper into that. So guys, CTA inside HubSpot are calls to action. That is something which is easily understood. And the thing is that why do you need a CTA? So a call to action in normal marketing language, what it means is that it represents something which you want your visitor to engage with. Now the CTA is something which is often at the bottom of a page once your visitor has scrolled in, taken in the relevant information. So here in HubSpot, in Marketing Hub, you get CTA, which are calls to action, which allow you to convert more of your visitors into qualified leads, and you can personalize, test, and optimize these CTAs. So in our already live tutorial, we have told you how many different types of CTAs there are and how you can customize and optimize those CTAs. The good thing about CTAs is that they allow you to create a very personalized sort of approach. So these are the kind of CTAs wherein you can have very personalized parameters. For example, if somebody matches a certain criteria, then they will be shown the particular CTA. All of those things which helps you take your lead down the buyer's journey really easily. Now the thing is that inside HubSpot, using the contact data which is already in your CRM, you can create the kind of CTAs which would definitely convert. One of the other good things here is that in the newer CTA interface, you can actually edit and drag and drop things inside the CTA module, and that makes the whole process of building a CTA very easy. Using the targeting options inside CTA, you can also personalize CTAs for each visitor so that your conversions are increased. And that's something which you can customize on a per CTA basis. For example, when do you want a particular pop-up CTA or banner-based CTA to trigger? Maybe after a user scrolls a certain part of your page, maybe after a certain time. And all of these things help you to really grab your users' attention. And apart from all of this, there's also the option to do a A/B test. You can optimize the performance of your CTAs via the analysis where a particular CTA is working, which time frame, which triggers are making your CTAs perform the best. And this is all that you need to know about CTAs inside HubSpot on a basic level. And in case you really want to know everything else about CTAs, do click on the video in the link in the description below where we have discussed how you can create different types of CTAs inside HubSpot. So guys, I hope HubSpot CTA is absolutely clear to all of you. And in case you are still running into any issues or you want to learn something new or a little bit more detailed about HubSpot CTA, then do comment down below and we will be more than happy to assist you. And in case you want our help in order to build something awesome of your own, then do reach out to us via the QR code on the screen in front of you, or via the link in the description below, or via the link in the pinned comment, and we'll be there at your doorstep. I mean, not at your doorstep, but via a free one-on-one consultation call. And I'll see you guys soon in the next video.